Good morning, traders. Super excited you guys are here today. Ended up only taking one trade, was kind of in and out. Normally how I am, just a few trades in the morning, but I missed two really good opportunities. You're going to get to see those live, and that kind of got under my skin a little bit. And one of the boundaries I set for myself is if I start getting a little emotional or frustrated because I missed a trade, I'm going to shut down a little early. And it's all about recognizing our own individual weak points and then setting those rules, setting those boundaries to protect ourselves. It's all about discipline and self-management. I honestly believe that's probably one of the most important things, if not the most important thing in trading, managing yourself. Let's get into it. PVH, this one's getting a nice push on it. The daily chart I'm looking at, not extremely overbought on the daily, but we are coming up to the 50-day moving average, 82.70. So that's something I will be looking for on PVH. Putting a few on my watch list, just taking a look at several of them. ENPH, this one's getting a nice sell-off right now. So eyes are going over here. We want some more panic. Then I'll look to start this one. Now this one's kind of doing the opposite of PVH. This one's coming down to the 50-day moving average on an oversold stock, and that 50-day is going to be right at 25.37. So let's get this one down another point. ENPH, this is now getting that pop I was looking for. Just want it a little bit lower. Not getting that right now. This one's getting a nice pop on it. Already coming back up near high a day here. We missed that one, but that is okay. There's plenty more out there to be looking at right now. All right, the two we were looking at, PVH, that one's already selling on off. Didn't get much of a morning spike on it at all before it really started fading on off. EMPH, that one on the other hand, that's the buying fear. That one sold off pretty heavily. It's already getting a pop back up. So missed opportunities on both of those. Looking around for some more. But it's good confirmation that both of these stocks did what I wanted them to do. It's just I want the best entry, you know, and so being meticulous and picky is sometimes very good and sometimes, you know, doesn't work the best. COUP, definitely interested here. Actually going to go ahead and start this one, COUP. This one's getting going right now. Let's take a look at the chart here, COUP. This one gapped up from yesterday. This one hit 135, is now gapping up and having a morning spike up to 154. Let's take a look at the 3-year chart. This thing is at all-time highs. It's been climbing very, very nicely, and it could continue to keep climbing. It absolutely could. The RSI is getting up there. This is getting a little overbought, not only on the daily but intraday. So going to be smart here. This is climbing fairly nice right now. Going to spread these ads a bit apart though. So let's see if we can get this thing up to about 155. Okay, and I took another ad there at about 155. And so this is getting very, very fast right now. Very fast, which is what we want. The faster the move, the weaker the trend. That's how it always goes. Faster the move, the weaker the trend. So right now we are really popping on up. This candle right here is looking nice, looking kind of like a doji star. We need it to close that way though. I may reduce some shares here. We're going to see what it's going to do here. It's kind of hesitating. I don't like it when it consolidates. When it gets overextended, I want it to kind of sell off fast. Kind of like we're seeing right now, but that's what we want. Quick sell-off. All right, I just came out all of it. I actually meant to try to come out half. I wasn't paying attention. I just came out all of it on that big sell-off right there. That's kind of what I look at. When things are getting very strong, a very steep trend line, we see how steep this is. Up from 148 up to 155. It's getting very steep. The weaker the trend is going to be. So that's what I was looking at on COUP. I actually think I'm going to be the one and done today and just take one trade because I missed two others. Kind of gets under my skin a little bit. I don't want to take an emotional trade, don't want to overtrade, and don't want to revenge trade, you know, and try to make profits or try to see things that may not be there. This one's selling off even further, and I also messed that trade up right there. So going to recognize that I'm a little frustrated and just end up calling it a day right there. It's about being disciplined enough to recognize your weak points and then set boundaries around those so that you do not make mistakes. So we'll continue the green streak right there and just end on that trade. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. Make sure to hit that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. If you want to know how to find these stocks each and every day through the Intensity Stock Watch scanner, that's going to be in the description below. You'll get up to 30% off. All right, traders, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We will see you all first thing tomorrow.